Oh, thanks. No? What the hell are you doing under there? He's under there!
Oh my god.
Setsuna!
How did it get off?
Setsuna! Out from under the couch! I see you moving, you stupid thing. Come to mommy. I see you. You don't live under there! I need the goddamn hermit crab. He's under here. He's here. It's not hard to...
Show the camera.
Moving. You can catch him on camera. Make him come out. Come here, Setsuna. Come towards the camera. Come towards the camera. Oh, you piece of shit!
Oh god, just throw my camera.
How did he get out? You're on the couch, you stupid! I need a stick. I need to fish him out with a stick. Ah, my hand's cramping! It's cramping. Okay. Come here. He's moving at the speed of light. Let's go!
What'd you just throw?
Hold up, no, hold up. He's coming. Come on. I'm sure nothing's in his way. Okay. Get the hell out of here! Stupid hound dog. No one cares if you're #1 graduated. Come out the other side.
Someone's a bit grumpy.
He's coming out the other side! He's going towards the back. He's going towards the back.
I have like 3 minutes of you flipping out.
Good boy. Good boy. What the hell? Give me that. Give me that. Maybe it'll attract him. There you go. Why were you under there? Yeah, that's right. You move faster. This is a bad crab. This is a very bad crab. Yeah, don't try to run away from me now. You're on camera.